What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Charger17. Ooh, I got a cool contact video right now for y'all right now. See what this is? See what this is? Get a good look at that. See that? It's for the throttle controller for your gas pedal. About to check this out. So even the little guy want to check that out, right? So what up to you too? Tell him what you just lost.
My teeth is gone.
He just lost himself a teeth. Got him. How many?
Is this one?
We give us $4.
Is this one?
He got like $4 for the teeth. What? He got sleepy. Woke up with some good stuff up on his back. But anyway, yo, watch out, Jeremiah. Watch out. I'm on YouTube. Doing a video for YouTube. You didn't want to show your teeth all yesterday. Alright, we got some stuff here. I took this bottom part, that down there loose, and used the cables that connects to it. This shit connects to the you'll be what you call up under here for your sensor. So everything's gonna connect. And as the weeks go on, or the days, I might but do another quick video for this to let you know how this is going. And yeah, it's Injen. It's a product from Injen. The X Pedal Pro throttle controller. It's pretty cool. I mean, I did a couple of research on it before I got it. There was a friend, somebody know they got it, and it was actually good to see how it performed for their car. And I told my mom I'm gonna pick this up and do it for myself, you know. You know, just you can read everything with dots on there. Pause it, look at it. We need to go look at it for y'all. You know, so it's pretty cool from Injen. Your boy Jay about to check this out. Charger17, we about to check it out.
Yep.
He said, yep. So, I ain't too big on these installments, though, because, you know, it's in an awkward position. All I did is pop that loose. And, yeah, I didn't unplug my gas pedal yet. I did unplug the, the battery. So, there's no power going to this whole car right now. None. So, unplugged everything so I can hook it up. And probably make another quick video that is installed and show you how it works. And yeah, we go from there, right? He looks inside. He's like, is this going to make it go faster, Dad? And I'm like, I don't know. It's going to take out the lag. That's what I said. It's going to take out the lag. Right? Take out the lag? Yeah. So we'll see. We get back at y'all, right? All right. You trying to show everybody your teeth still, huh? You want to be well known that you got missing teeth already. He's only 4. He'll be 5 in another. Actually, next month he'll be 5. Right? Big birthday time, right? Yeah. Yeah. All right, everybody. Get back at y'all when we. All right, YouTube. Your boy Charger17 is back with it installed and everything. Took me a minute to get the other thing to get up under there. There's a little lever to pull from the cables that's already attached to each other for the pedal. But other than that, once you unsnap everything, plug all this and set it up, do the settings and everything so it can sync to your gas pedal, your throttle, so everything can be working properly. Equal mode. Of course, you know your bro ain't worried about no equal mode. But that's how it sounds. Or that's the level. Normal.
0.
I know. Sport.
1. 2. There's 2. That's 2.
how we changing stuff here. Things.
Rabbit.
It goes all the way up to number 9. It makes the gas pedal so sensitive. Just when you touch it, it literally rubs.
Try that.
Watch. Literally so sensitive. That's how sensitive we got it. I'm not gonna try it on the street. It's daylight. People's outside, so safety as always first. Try it in a location where there's less people, maybe somewhere where there's an organized area. If you like the race, this is probably something definitely you want to have for your throttle spot. If you got a tune or something, you might not really need this because your car be already super fast as already.
What is that right
But
there?
as you know, with Dodge and a lot of other vehicles, manufactured vehicles, there's a lag when you're driving and you want to step on it and go. Jeremiah, chill. So this is pretty much what I got it for, to take away the lag. So in the weeks or the days come upon me here, I'm gonna try to see how this thing work and let you guys know what it's like driving it and do a review on it. And pretty much this is day 1 with it. So I'm at home, I'm in my driveway. I done went up and forth, down and back in my driveway. Not too much crazy and nothing. It's just me and the little guy. The wife is at work right now, so you know, trying to do some mods to your car with the little ones at the house. You know how that goes. But safety is first always. Nothing crazy. We're not being reckless out here. If anything, I would try this in a location where there's less cars at. Freaking mosquitoes everywhere. What the hell? Get that nice weather. As you probably hear me rolling down my windows. We ain't trying to get mosquito bite. But anyway. But yeah. This is how we're doing it. 2019, y'all. Your boy Charger 17 asked something for his throttle response. We keep it going. This is from Injen. So the price for it is not too bad. I done seen some stuff out there. Price wise is a little high. But to each his own, so whatever. But like I said, if you got like a tune or something in your car, you probably really don't really need this. Your car is going to be already wicked fast as is. If you want to add some edge to it, it might not really affect it, or it might does help you out. Hey, it might be something you want to put in your car. They Injen offer a lot of other stuff for your vehicle, so you check their site out. There's plenty of stuff. This is not for a sponsor. This is boys Charger 17 just trying out a product. Not even trying out a product. Matter of fact, I actually got this product. This is mine. So if anything, it's gonna be in my car. I might use it, might not use it. You know, who knows? I'm definitely going before the week is over with. Today is what, Sunday? I would try to say probably Wednesday. Before the week over with, I'm gonna do a video or something. You know, upload another video, let everybody know what it's like driving it. Maybe me getting out of work, testing it. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of crazy. You know, you live in the city, ain't too many places where you want to be at to test your car out, unless you at a track somewhere. So yeah, this is something pretty cool. I like how it's set up. It connects to my OB2 sensor over here. So to me, it makes me feel like it's really connecting to the whole car. So to the brain of it for the throttle or so. So like I said, it ain't gonna be a long video. There ain't too much to show here. It's not like I'm about to race somebody with this to find out how good it is. If anything, I'm probably in the same spot from previous racing, so it's just how it's a driver error. So if I want to go fast, I go fast. So you know, for a throttle, you know how that goes when you want to race and you're all excited at times. Things don't, you know, the gas pedal is hard or whatever. You think you're about to, or your traction or your tires or whatever. But anyway, this Charger 17, if you're first time to this video or to my page, hit that subscribe button, the bell button. Let everybody know and share. And I got other, I got 2 other platforms for this car page, actually. So it's on Instagram. That's like my personal page. So it's like, you'll see the car, maybe some stuff I post with the family, whatever. That's on Instagram. Charger _17. That's Instagram. Facebook is Lola Thomas. That's just the car only. Yeah, I got family, friends on there. You know, people, you know, co-workers follow that page. But it's funny because they all like, yo, who's Lola? But they saw the car, they're like, wait a minute, you know. So it kind of threw everybody off because I don't really need Facebook. It's more for the car and everything. Show everybody on that platform. Because people on Instagram might not have Facebook, and there's people that don't got Instagram. They got Facebook. They may want to see what I do, and that's what it is. And of course, everybody is on YouTube. Here's the thing I do. I pretty much watch a video and don't subscribe to it. And then I'm like, why does this video always keep popping up? It's either I don't hit a thumbs up, I like it, or I don't subscribe to it. And I find out that if I do one of those two, if I watch your video and then I subscribe to it, it's pretty cool. But I notice if I don't hit the thumbs up, it's still gonna keep popping up. So it's like, subscribe and share. You know, it's not nothing, no making watching television, basically, on that level. But yeah, I said it's ain't gonna be a long video, but every time I'm on here, I like talking. But look, got that carbon fiber on the steering wheel, y'all. I gotta reset my radio because I'm plugging the battery. That kind of just changed everything. First, the layout, the time wise on here, ain't no 10 o'clock. And if it was 10 o'clock in the morning, I still be out here though. It should be like 3 or 4 right now. But yeah, as you see, look that right there, that Galaxy Note 10. What? Yeah, Galaxy Note 10, y'all. My boy Joe Worry got the Note 10 Plus. I got the Note 10. As you see, showing up there in that screen right there. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I'm gonna be out. Y'all guys enjoy this video and other videos I got put up. And stay tuned for more stuff I got coming. Winter's pretty much upon us. It's like fall weather right now, / type summer type deal. But we got another 2 months to go at least. And we see what we got. I'm getting the tires for the back for winter. I'm still in the debate if I want to go all 4 tires, all winter tires, but I'm definitely getting the back tires for winter. Definitely. So you boy Jake have some fun out here and make some contact. You know, I don't want to make no contact, me getting stuck. Pretty sure y'all like to see that type of video. But we'll see what we do in the wintertime. But in the meantime, we're going to enjoy these type of days that we got out here. These non-rainy days / yeah, I'm going to finish mounting this up. Y'all probably like, hey, you going to leave that hanging there? That'd be looking kind of crazy, yo. But yeah, I'm going to finish mounting this up somewhere. And that's where we're going to go at from here. You know, this paper and crap. Yeah, it's from Injen. Where I did the box at, I don't know. But, yeah. Right there, you see that right there? That's what it's all about. But anyway, we out. Charger 17.